Hello chefs! Today's recipe is Bteifour, which I'm pretty sure this is not an Egyptian name, but these are traditional cookies that we eat during our feasts. I'll start with 2 cups of softened unsalted butter in the mixer, and then I'll add 1 3/4 cup of confectioner's sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and because I like it to have a little bit more of a vanilla taste, I add 1 packet of vanilla sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, then I'll mix it until it becomes white in color and fluffy. Just like that. Then I'll add 4 eggs and I'll mix some more. Now I'll use 4 cups of flour. I added half first, then I mix, then I'll add the other half. I'll then take it out of the mixer and mix it by hand, just to make sure that everything is well combined. I'll take half of the dough and set it aside. Then to the other half, I'll add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of butter. So now I'll have both vanilla cookies and chocolate cookies. I'll then mix it with a spatula just to make sure everything is well combined, and then set it aside in the fridge for 30 minutes before I attempt to use it. Here I'm using the cookie machine, but if you don't have it, you can still shape the cookies with your hands in any shape you like. It won't be how we traditionally make them, but they will still taste amazing. I'll be showing you that there are several ways to fill the machine. You can choose any shape you like. When using the machine on the cookie sheet, don't use parchment paper, otherwise the cookies won't stick. If you're going to use more than one shape, make sure you have approximately equal amounts of the same shape of the chocolate and vanilla cookies, if you want to stick them together later. Now they are ready for the oven. Into a 350 degrees preheated oven for 9 to 12 minutes, depends on your oven and the size of the cookies. Then leave them to completely cool and they're ready to decorate. They are very soft and they melt into your mouth. You can leave them plain or decorate them with anything you like. Here I'm using melted chocolate, jam, and honey with some sprinkles. When I add the chocolate, jam, or honey, I add a little extra so that when I push the 2 cookies together, I can use the extra on the sides as glue to stick some of the sprinkles on it. And now they are ready for you to enjoy. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, help me out by liking and sharing this video, and please consider subscribing. Bon appétit, or as we say in Egypt, صحة وعافية.